Alright, Autocycles fam, I'm back today. I'm going to do a little video on one of the old cars we got out here that's kind of cool that we're going to sell off. I think that'll be a fun little thing. We'll walk through it. It'd be really something cool. I'm tired of this stuff sitting around, and you know, I don't want to keep this stuff just to have it. I'd rather somebody that gets it, you know, do something with it, restore it, drive it, do whatever. And so I think we're going to make this a reoccurring segment. I don't know how often it's going to be. We do got some stuff. I don't know if we're going to do it in the wintertime or not. But we're gonna start a little segment of stuff in the yard that is for sale. If you see something in the background of the videos, you can hit me up. And you know, on our website at autocyclerswy.com. We don't do a lot of selling whole vehicles, and the counter really is not versed in it. So I don't know, we're gonna have to work on that a little bit and try and decide what we're gonna do, because historically we didn't sell like whole cars. So we had a lot of cars I kept complete, and then I didn't sell them, like, because we weren't a dealer, we didn't sell cars, we weren't versed in it, that sort of deal. But I'm kind of over it. I don't want this stuff sitting and just going to waste, you know, from sitting. And so I think, you know, if you see something in the background, hit me up. It might be kind of complicated and a pain in the butt until we start, or you'll get used to it. But work with us on this. If it's the car that we're doing here, yeah, definitely hit me up. You can email us as well, autocyclerswy@gmail.com. And I do see some of them. If you put in the header, you know, something with YouTube, something, car, you know, which car you're looking at, or that sort of deal, you know, I can, you know, I'll be more apt to notice it, because I deal some with the emails. But we'll figure it out. There'll be some growing pains, but we'll figure it out. So behind me, what we got here is a 65 Chevy Sportvan, and I think it's awesome. It's really solid, and it was like the kind of the camper, the mini camper model. It's not like a full-on like Westy Volkswagen, but it is kind of a camper. I'll take you over there and show it to you, and let me know what you think. So I think these things are really, really awesome. It does have the double doors on this side. It's got the front door here, and then you got the double doors here. It is missing the handle for the double doors, you know, the door handle, but you can find that. I don't know if we have one or not. I'd kind of be surprised if we do, but we'll see, or we can see. It's really solid. There's not really like any obvious rust. It does have a step that comes out on the bottom too. Not a lot of dents. Yeah, it's pretty solid. There is some surface rust here, but it's not, and it's still really solid. It's not like rusted through or flaky rust. Here's what the inside looks like. It still looks just like what it would have looked like. This is the trim panel for up here. It has the full awesome, you know, carpet in it. It's been really solid. You know, all the panels are there. It has a little fridge there, this 2-burner stove, and it did have a sink, but it's not there no more. You can see the battery up there sits underneath the passenger seat, and it's got a big doghouse for the engine. Overall, it's really complete. It doesn't smell bad. It's got some fairly awesome carpet in there. It's pretty solid. Driver's side has no doors. It's just got the door out the front where the driver rides. It may be missing, and I think that's the panel back there, is the door panel for this door right here. Doesn't have a steering wheel. Probably had some sort of custom steering wheel on it that somebody took off there. It does got a straight 6 motor in it. And it does have a 3 on the tree manual transmission. You know, everything's pretty much there. I would say that the motor probably is stuck. I reached down and just tried to turn it, but I haven't messed with it too much. It could be free. I haven't really played with it a lot. Either way, you know, it would probably be a good thing to be able to pull it out, refresh it, you know, at least gasket seals, rings and bearings. But overall, I mean, it might be something somebody could get to run, and I could get into it a little bit more and see if it really is locked up or if it does spin. This thing's been here for quite a while. It's really solid though. It does have the awesome red carpet. It's not, I wouldn't call it shag, it's like a cut pile. It's just a heavy cut pile. But basically, I mean, it's not really rusty around the windows or any of that stuff. It's pretty solid, really. It does have the vent window is missing here. There's nothing in there. That's the only window that's broken or missing. The windshield's still in it, still in good shape. It does have a nice brush guard on it. But I thought these sport vans were really awesome. I mean, I really liked them. I think they're ultra cool. Vans are making a comeback right now, and it would be something that would be really easy for somebody to get in, play with. You know, the camper vans and the van life, hashtag van life stuff is a thing, and it's a big thing. And everybody can have their ugly jelly bean vans, and I'm not saying nothing bad about them, but this has way more personality. It's way more awesome. Probably has about as much power as them other ones do too. If you set it up, you know, nice with modern amenities, you could live in that thing, you know, really comfortable, and you'd have something that you wouldn't see anybody else driving down the road in, really. So give it some thought. I'll figure out a price on it and post it with the video here, like I did on the other ones, and just do a little rundown kind of deal. It does have a clean title. It's ready to go. We can help load it. It needs to go somewhere and have somebody, you know, drive the wheels off it. You know, get it running and drive it. You know, it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to, you know, have fun, live life. You know, that sort of deal. And that's kind of what I'm encouraging. I really embrace Derek from Vice Grip's philosophy in this whole deal, and you know, have fun with it, drive it, you know, enjoy it. And yeah, if you have time or the means to make it awesome, you know, or pretty, I guess, do that too. But this thing will be a great ride. Be something fun. It probably runs down the interstate or down the road better than the Volkswagen van does. We do got some of them, and we got one that's an interesting one that will be coming up. But yeah, it's an awesome little ride, and honestly, you know, somebody needs to buy it, have some fun with it, you know, live life. It'll be a good one. So till the next video, thanks for watching.